Poison firmware has once again been updated. Now, we've improved upon the previous version, which was Red Poison, and the developers behind this, Team Poison, have put a lot of work and effort into this one, and there's a lot of stability improvements. And if you want to check it out, you can. It's available for S905W, S905X and S912 devices. And of course, if you want to go and give these guys some support, you can. I'll leave their Facebook group in the link in the description, and you can go and ask these guys some questions if you want to. But yeah, basically this video is just going to be showing you the exact same installation process as I did for Red Poison. It's exactly the same. But yeah, there's a lot of improvements for this firmware. But anyway, let's dive straight in and let's show you how to install it onto our Amlogic TV box. Install this program and then select the language. Change it to English if needed, and then click File and then Import Image. Once you've imported that image that we've just downloaded, you will then need to click Start. Once that's done, we can now connect our TV box to our PC or laptop. This is normally done with a USB male-to-male cable. Connect one end into your PC and then hold in the reset button, which is normally located on the bottom, on the side, or inside the AV port on your TV box. Hold that in with something thin and sharp, preferably not metal, of course. Hold that in and then connect the other end of the USB cable into your TV box. Once that's done, the computer should start installing drivers. These are normally called World Cup drivers. Once that's done, it should then begin installing the firmware onto your TV box, and it should show a progress bar as shown here. USB Burner Tool is not a perfect piece of software. Many different issues have been reported using it. It might just not connect at all. I normally find Windows 10 does struggle to actually work correctly with USB Burner Tool. I normally find Windows 7 is more appropriate, but there we go. So if you do have those issues, there is a different way to actually install this firmware, and I'm going to cover that just now. There is another tool called Amlogic Burn Card Maker, and this basically burns the image file that we would have normally used with USB Burner Tool onto an SD card. As shown here, install USB Burner Tool and then select your SD card, and then all you need to do is click Make, and then what it'll do is it'll burn the SD card image onto the SD card. Once that's done, remove it, insert it into your TV box, hold in the reset button normally, and then apply power. And then it should begin installing this piece of firmware.